Hi, I'm Glenn Evans. I'm the Head of Food Development for IGUANAS, a South American casual dining brand. We have 55 to 60 restaurants across the UK, from Aberdeen down to Plymouth. Our food and drink is focused around South American flavours, Mexican, Brazilian, Argentinian, to name just a few. We serve dishes like chili con carne, enchiladas, burritos, Brazilian curries, nachos, and a lot of tapas dishes as well. I was lucky enough to be a judge at the Commercial Kitchen Show a year ago when I came across the Panasonic 1878 Inverter microwave. I was very impressed by all of its attributes and saw straight away that it would be such an advantage in our kitchens. The key features I'm looking for when buying new equipment: one, it needs to be robust. It needs to withstand the test of time and daily pressures of a kitchen. Two, I'm looking for energy efficiency. So we're looking for economical, sustainable equipment. And number three, easy to maintain. So maneuverable, easy to clean, easy to wipe down during service. One of the main reasons with my decision making in terms of buying the 1878 microwave was the energy saving. Approximately 10% saving versus our old microwave, which is quite substantial. So hopefully we'll start to begin to see some savings over the year. One of the other key factors regarding my decision when buying this 1878 microwave was the fact that it can give us a lot more consistent heating when we're microwaving our foods. Now, we cook a lot of our dishes from scratch. We blast chill them, and then the most efficient way to bring them back to the core temperature is by reheating in a microwave. In existing microwaves that we've used, sometimes we'll get a crust that builds up on the top or around the edges. This affects the yield, the flavour and the texture of our dishes. With the inverter, we've seen that it gives us a much more consistent reheat, so it's absolutely key to the quality of our produce and the end product. Another key feature of the 1878 microwave is that it has a metal door. Now, some customers have a perception that any food that's coming out of a microwave isn't fresh or is frozen. With the metal door, we like to think that it will remove that stigma from the customer's point of view, especially when we have open kitchens like we do in IGUANAS. The 1878 inverter microwave is so easy to clean. It's very lightweight. It's actually only weighs 17.5 kilos. And this is almost half the weight of our existing microwaves that we've got in our business. So when it comes to cleaning underneath, moving is key, and it's not too heavy to do that. Another factor is that it comes with a splatter shield. So the splatter shield lines the cavity. These can be easily removed and put in a dishwasher, so no heavy duty cleaning. The metal door is also easy to clean. There is no window in it, so there's no rims, ridges or crevices, so there's no build-up of residue. Chefs can easily wipe it down throughout service and after service. Having worked with Panasonic for over a year now, I'm really impressed with their customer support. They've been fantastic in supporting us with the trial of the 1878, and we're also seeing new pieces of equipment coming out of their R&D. Their innovation is looking good, and there's some other pieces of equipment potentially on the horizon.